Hey Samsung Galaxy fans, get ready because there's some exciting news on the horizon with the Samsung Galaxy F55 and a potential curveball with the Galaxy M55. Let's jump into the details that are stirring up the tech community. The Samsung Galaxy F55 5G is making waves as a feature-packed, budget-friendly option. It's gearing up to make its debut alongside the Galaxy F35, flaunting a stylish aluminum frame and glass back. The device boasts a 6.6-inch FHD plus AMOLED display with a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring every swipe and scroll is a delight. At its core, the Exynos 148 processor is set to deliver zippy performance, keeping things running smoothly. For those who love capturing life's moments, the Galaxy F55 doesn't disappoint with its versatile triple-camera setup, featuring 50 megapixels, 12 megapixels, and 5 megapixel sensors, plus a selfie camera that's ready for your close-ups. With a robust 5000 mAh battery, this phone is built to last through your day. It offers 8GB or 12GB RAM options and 128GB or 256GB storage variants, rumored to surpass the Galaxy S24 in RAM capacity across most markets. Running Android 14 and One UI 6.1, it's poised to be a standout choice for those looking for quality without a hefty price tag. But that's not all. Enter the Galaxy M55, the mid-range hero we've all been hoping for. It's rumored to pack the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, alongside a dazzling 120Hz OLED display, a triple camera array, and potentially 4K video shooting capabilities on both the front and back cameras. If it hits the sweet spot with its pricing, the Galaxy M55 might just be the perfect pick for anyone wanting high-end features without emptying their wallets. So, what are your thoughts on these anticipated Samsung gadgets? Are you excited about what's in store? Share your opinions and keep your eyes peeled for more updates on these and other tech developments.